is really crazy. I've been like hesitating to do it.
You ask me I'm bad on whiny, I guess I'm a beg for it. Your body looks better on me, cause it gets wetter for me. Once you beg for me, once you beg, watch me beg for you. I'm a beg, I guess I gotta beg.
What is up, Halo Army? It's your boy Milo.
It's your girl Hazel.
And what are we doing today, shorty?
Oh my gosh, okay. So I cannot believe we're actually making this video. I've been like hesitating to do it. Stop. We've been trying to do this video for like the past couple of days. I'm really nervous to like put this out there. I don't know how you feel. Are you nervous to put it out there?
No.
I've been nervous.
I've been on it for like a whole week to address this video, and we've been getting some DMs about it too.
Okay, so y'all know it's the new year. We're still so young, but at the same time, I feel like we're old. I just want to say, I feel like me and Babe are really mature for our age. You know what I'm saying? Like, we already got our life together. We're already really established. We feel comfortable enough with where we're at in our life to start a family. I just want to say, I always wanted to be a mother for the longest. Like, ever since I was little, I was like, oh my god, I can't wait to be a mom. Like, I want to be a mom. Like, I want to have a daughter. I want to have a son. So
And I'm already a father. She called me daddy. Alright, proceed.
So yeah, ever since I was younger, I already knew like I always wanted to be a mom, you know what I'm saying? But when we first got together, it's like how long have we been together? 3 years?
2.5 years, June will be 3
Stop,
years.
stop,
That's
stop.
crazy.
Stop, my
Can we
mind
stop
is
this video and start
everywhere.
over?
What? We've been together for a while, like we already know like he's not going nowhere and I'm not going nowhere. Like this is it. This is it. We're never gonna be single again. We're gonna be together forever. And I always said that I wanted to wait until we got married to have a baby, because like that's just something, I don't know, that's just something I really wanted to do. But now that I think about it, it's like I don't care what order we do things in, because I know, like I said, I know we're
that serious.
I know we're gonna be together for the rest of our lives anyway, you know what I'm saying? So whether marriage comes later or babies come later, like whatever comes first, it don't matter, because I know we're gonna be happy regardless. We're gonna be happy regardless, like I said, so it don't matter to me. Like I just want to start a family with him. I just want to be with him. And it's like I said, I feel like we're only getting older, and actually I'm at my prime right now to have a baby. No, I'm serious. Like if you look at the statistics, the age range, like the best time to have a baby is like between now and like 24, 25, something like that.
21 to 24?
Yeah, I think so. Don't quote me, but around there. So if you guys could read the title, I'm pretty sure you know what we're about to say. We're ready to have a baby. So yeah, we're ready to have a baby. Like,
oh, wait. Y'all thought we were saying we were pregnant? Were we? Y'all thought we were saying we were pregnant? Y'all tweaking.
We're not
pregnant.
pregnant. No, we're not.
It's 2020 and I feel like we're ready to have a child. I feel like she is ready to produce a child.
Produce a child?
To fertilize a child.
What? You fertilized me.
Oh.
Stupid.
What? How do you talk baby? How do you talk baby? Like to
I'm ready.
Inseminate a baby and
you're inseminating.
Surrogate.
Oh my god. Okay, we're not ready. We're not ready.
I'm ready to be a father. She's ready to be a mother.
Yeah, guys, I'm not pregnant right now. I'm sorry if we kind of tricked you right there. But for a year already, like we were talking about like having a baby, but I wanted to wait until we had our own house and until I felt like we were at a good place in our relationship, until I just felt comfortable. So, because like last year we were in Georgia living with his mom. I just didn't want to do that. We've been actually seriously talking about it and getting ready for it. Like I always said, if I have a kid, I want it to be planned. You know what I'm saying? Like I know I was an accident. Like my mama didn't plan me. Like nobody, 90% of this world wasn't planned. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but I just want us to decide that together, you know what I'm saying? Like actually have a talk and be like, okay, yeah, it's nice tonight, you know what I'm saying? Like have it be special and all of that. So I just always wanted to plan when I'm gonna have a baby, because I like knowing things, you know what I'm saying? Like I hate not knowing anything. I hate not knowing the plans about anything. Like I like to plan everything accordingly. I like to be organized. So if I was to have a baby out of nowhere, I would be really stressed, to be honest.
And me personally, I feel like every child is a blessing. You know what I mean? Regardless of the situation, regardless of the circumstance, I feel like being pregnant is a blessing regardless. You know what I mean? But it's a different feeling when you don't expect to be pregnant and then you kind of just get smacked with it out of nowhere.
That's
then
what I'm saying. I never want to feel like that. Like,
then
that's
knowing
stressful.
knowing that you're about to be pregnant and like just counting down 6 to 12 days to take the test and all that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you get to prepare for it. You know what I'm saying? Like, mentally prepare, physically prepare, like all of that. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm just the type of person that likes to know everything. So, and I get stressed out really easily. I'm really like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know how I am. If you guys follow me on Twitter, which you should, if you're not following me on Twitter, it's gonna be right here on the screen. Go follow me and babe. So follow me on Twitter. But actually, what's today? 4? Maybe about like 5 days ago, like right when it hit, I think it was New Year's Eve or on New Year's Day. I had tweeted, I think 2020 is the year I'm gonna be pregnant. So, and y'all went crazy. So basically that's why I wanted to make this video addressing it, because I just tweeted that like on a whim, you know what I'm saying? I tweet my thoughts and that's what I was thinking. So like, I don't know, like we've been talking and we just feel like this year is just really the year for us.
Yeah, I have such great energy for this year. Like I know this year is gonna be amazing. Like we got a dope vacation coming the end of this month. Be looking out for that. We're collaborating with a super dope YouTube couple. We ain't gonna tell y'all who though, but they super dope.
We're doing our first collab this year. We're just doing a lot this year that you guys don't know about, but like you said, we just been having a really good feeling, and we just know like this year is just gonna be the year for blessings and all of that. So we're just putting it out there into the universe. So we just want y'all to know to be prepared for a little baby Milo or baby Hazel coming soon, okay? Oh, I can't believe we're saying that. That's crazy.
That's great.
Yeah, it's crazy, but I'm happy.
But yeah, that's pretty much all we really wanted to address, right? Tell y'all that 2020 is the year to find a little baby Halo Milo, Angel Hazel. What are we gonna name her?
I don't know. that's what the heck, we're already planning that. I don't know if it's gonna happen for sure. You never know what's gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? Like, we don't know for sure. We're leaving it up to God, you know what I'm saying? But that's the plan.
We want to wish all of y'all a happy New Year's. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all New Year's. I know we haven't been present for real. We've been taking a little more time off for the holidays. You know what I mean? And it's been amazing. I've been enjoying myself. I've been healthy. I've been very spiritually uplifted, and it's just been beautiful so far. It's been a beautiful year so far. It's been a good 4 days. You know?
Good 4 days.
It's been a good 4 days. I've been joyful, you know what I mean? And that's honestly all I can ever wish for. She's been happy. That's honestly all I can ever wish for. And I pray the same on y'all. I hope you guys are having a blessed year so far, and I hope you guys are full of joy. I hope you guys are full of motivation and happiness
and blessings and all of that.
Amen.
You know, this year we're gonna go crazy. We're hitting 2 million by the end of this year.
3 million. I'm trying to hit 2 million by June.
Y'all, our channel's just gonna keep growing. So if you're new here, please subscribe, join the Halo Army. And if you've been here since day one, we love you, we appreciate you. Y'all are some real ones. Yeah, we just love you guys so much, and we really appreciate y'all. Like, I know we don't say that often, but we really do love you guys. I'm really excited for this year. You excited, Ben?
I'm like, oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm just ready to have a baby.
But also, guys, speaking of clothes,
Stay Fly, you feel me? This is our Stay Fly design, Stay Fly Halo Army, because heaven added lit opportunity, you feel me? It's litty lit. It's kind of, the hat coming soon. The hat is not on our website, but make sure y'all click right up here in the top right hand corner for y'all to cop our merch, to purchase our merch. If you do buy our merch, send us a DM. Please send us a DM.
So we could post y'all, repost
Yes.
y'all on our stories and all of that. So.
And if you take pictures in our merch, send us a DM. You feel me? Because we really want to stay connected with our merchandise customers as well. We try our best to get back to as many of y'all as possible. If you really want us to get back to you, post a story and tag us in it. You know what I mean? Because with the new Instagram update, it's so easy to see all of the stories that we are mentioned in. So if you really want to get a hold of us, that's probably the best way, because you might get lost in the DM request. But all you gotta do is post a story and tag us in it. That could be anything. That could just even be a little message. But also, another huge announcement, bro. We just got a P.O. Box.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot.
Our P.O. address is P.O. Box 843, Valrico, Florida 33595.
We'll put it in the description for you guys
Yeah.
too. So make sure you look in the description if you want to send us letters or anything you want to send. Go ahead, the address will be down there.
Yep.
I can't wait. I'm so
And at the end of
excited.
every month, we are gonna do a video of us opening fan mail, opening gifts that you guys want to send us. If you guys want to draw us, we're literally gonna do a video of us opening everything. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited for that. I'm like so excited to actually be able to connect with y'all deeper than just posting content. 2020 is a year for us to get closer with you guys as well. You know what I mean? We're gonna post a little more heartfelt content as well of us sitting down talking to y'all. Like content like this is not just gonna be vlogs, challenges, and pranks. I want to do more story times and videos that y'all can really get to know us. And I'm just really excited for this year, bro.
I feel like I'm not really myself on camera, which I don't want you guys to think, oh, like what, like Hazel don't act herself or she's acting like somebody else. No, that's not what I mean. I just mean
She
like,
kind of conceals a lot.
yeah, like I don't.
You're not
I
as
don't
goofy
know.
on camera.
I'm not like my
Like,
true self.
If y'all
I'm
see,
not as
if y'all seen how goofy she was in person, bro, y'all will fall in love with her.
But yeah, I don't know. Like I'm just really shy for myself. Like this year, I really just want to
Break free.
put myself out there more, be more
Okay.
personal. Like try to just. I'm gonna be unapologetically myself. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna just act like I'm talking to my friend, but at the same time, I gotta be careful.
And also, I wanna expose our real names this year.
Okay, I'm down.
Like,
I'm
so
down.
let us know if y'all want us to expose our real names. Our real names aren't Milo and Hazel. That's our nicknames. If we expose our real names, I swear, if I see any comment of anybody calling us by our real names, I'm deleting your comment. Because we're doing this, we're gonna do everything to get closer to y'all and let y'all really get deeper in depth into who we are. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just excited for this year. I feel like this is our year.
Yeah, 2019 was like us like revving up our engine, you know what I'm saying, getting ready. In 2020 we just taking off.
This year I'm trying to reach 3 mil. Like, come here, where you going? Come here, cuz. You feel me? But yeah, we about to check out of this. I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted this to be short, sweet, and beautiful. Always remember, heaven adds the littest opportunities, you know what I mean? So do not take that for granted. They gave me a Hazel. Yeah, but we about to check out. Anything else you want to say, baby?
No, just know that we love you guys. We appreciate y'all, and like I said, just be ready. Just be ready. Oh my God, just be ready.
This is about to be amazing. Bye.
You ask me how bad I want it, I guess I'ma beg for it. Your body looks better on me, cause it gets wetter for me. Once you beg for me, once you beg, watch me beg for you. I'ma beg, I guess I gotta